Hello children, so welcome back. So in this video I am going to explain you chapter 9 of class 7, that is comparing quantity. In this video I am again come with another method to compare quantity, that is percentage. We know that percentage means per 100. So percentage is come with the Latin word, that is per, and cent. Cent means 100. So whenever we compare any quantity out of 100, then we call it percentage. Like our marks in an examination, mostly we say tell our marks out of hundreds, like 80%, 90%, 95%, whatever means 95% means 95 out of 100. Okay, so this is the way to compare the marks. So we know that in symbolical way we can represent percentage like this. And if I am writing here, suppose I am writing 9%. So what is the meaning of this 9%? Means the meaning of 9% is that 9 out of 100. So 9% means 9 out of 100. Like we are using, like I am getting 90%, means I get 90 marks out of 100. So this is the way, same way 9% means 9 out of 100. So we can write this 9% as a, so in the form of fraction also. We know that this symbol represent that out of per 100. So we can write this as 9 by 100. We can write this one also in the form of decimal. How we can write? It is 0.09. So we can this is the percentage. The meaning of percentage means out of 100. So whatever the quantity that is out of 100, we can convert the percentage in the form of fraction by dividing them by 100, and after that we know that how to convert this fraction in decimal. So this is the short intro about the percentage. Let's solve some question based on the percentage. Let's solve this question. This question says that convert the given numbers to percentage. I taken two parts. So first part is in the form of fraction, that is 5 by 4. We have to convert the 5 by 4 in the form of fraction. We already know fraction means out of 100. So we can write this 5 by 4 out of 100 means divided by 100. So of course we taken this divided by 100 by ourselves, so we have to multiply with the same number. So we are going to multiply 5 by 4 with the 100 and divide with 100 also. So now 1 by 100 means percentage. We know that percentage means per 100. So we can write this as 5 by 4 into 100, and this 1 by 100 can be write as percentage symbol. Okay, now let's simplify this. It is 4, we can cancel with 4, 100 with 4. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20. Now 5 into 25. So 25 5 ja, what we get? It is 125%. Means what we get after converting 5 by 4 in the form of percentage, we get 125%. So what we going to, basically we have to multiply that fraction with the 100 and we put the symbol percentage. Okay, now let's solve the second part of same question. Second part says that we have our decimal number. What is this decimal number? 0.75. We can convert this decimal number in the form of fraction. How? We can multiply 0.75 with the 100 and divide also with 100. So let's do. After that we get 75 divided by 100. Okay, so after multiplying with 100, decimal is going to be removed. So this, now this is in the form of a fraction. Now we know that how we convert the fraction in the form of percentage. What we going to do? We have to multiply with 100 and put the symbol of percentage. That only we have to do. After that we have 100, we can cancel this 100 with 100. So finally we get 75%. Okay, so this is very simple. We have to convert any whenever we have to convert any fraction in the form of percentage, we have to multiply that fraction with the 100. After that we get the quantity in the percentage form. Again, if we have decimal, so first we convert that decimal in the fraction. After that we know that how we convert a fraction in the form of percentage. So this way we can solve this type of question. Let's solve some more questions. Okay, let's discuss this question. This question that in previous question we discussed how we can convert a fraction in the form of percentage. Now question is how we can convert fraction in this percentage into fraction. So what we have to do, we know that here the percentage is given as 25%. 25% means, we know that meaning of this percentage means divided by 100. So 25% means 25 out of 100. So we can write this like that. After that this is in the form of fraction. We can simplify that. What we going to do? 25 1 ja 25 and 25 4 ja 100. So we get the simplest form of the fraction, that is what? 1 by 4. So this 25% can be write as 1 by 4. Suppose we have to convert this in the form of decimal, so we can also do this. How we can do? We know that how to convert the fraction in the form of decimal by division. It is we going to divide 1 with 4. So of course here we have this 1 is less than 4, so of course first time we take with 0, so 0, and here we have 1. Now we have decimals, so decimal, after that we get 0 here, so it is 4 2s are 8, so we have 2 here. Again we are going to increase 1 0 here, and 4 5s are 20, so 4 5s are 20, and here we get 0. So in decimal form we can also convert this fraction in the. So if we have to question like convert into fraction, so of course we have percentage means we know that we're going to divide the number with the 100. Like 25% means 25 out of 100. After that I simplify them and get the fraction. And suppose we have to convert that fraction in the form of decimal, that we already know how to convert a fraction in the form of decimal by the division, like I'm explaining you right now. So after that it is we get the decimal in the form of decimal. So 25 can be write as fraction 1 by 4, and in the form of decimal we can write 0.25. Let's see second part of the same question. It is 120%. 120% means what? 120 out of 100. So 120 out of 100 like this. Now let's simplify. 0 will cancel with 0. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. So what we get? Fraction. So fraction becomes 6 by 5. So after that if we have a question like that, convert this fraction in the form of decimal, so we can also do. We get 1.2. Okay, so this is how we can convert any percentage in the form of fractions. Okay, let's discuss this question. This question says that Meera saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. It is if it is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? We have to find out the salary if the 10% of salary saving is given. So let's suppose, let her salary is X. Okay, rupees X is her salary. So it is given that, so according to this question is given that 10% of her salary means 10% of X. Her salary is X, so 10% of X is what? It is rupees 4,000. So let's solve. 10% of X means 10 divided by 100, of means multiplication, and it is X is equal to 4,000. Let's solve. This 0 can be cancelled with 0. Now we have X. This X going to be multiply here because it is in the form of division. So after multiplying with 10 we can get X. So it becomes 4,000 into this 10 will come here. So it is 10. So after that we get as what? X is equal to 4,000. So her salary means Meera salary is rupees 40,000. So this is how we can solve this type of question by the help of percentage. So that